You know that sneeze that turns into 10? Maybe what you need is a warm hug in a cup. One sip and the sniffles don't stand a chance.
Emergency! Nurse Juliet is here! Where's my sneezy patient? Patient Romeo. Temperature check. Oh no!
Is that how you do it?
Shh! Dr. Juliet knows everything. Emergency protocol. Activate sneeze shield.
That's not gonna work.
Retreat! Retreat!
Drama queen.
Okay, Romeo is sneezing like a volcano. We need the magic ginger tea immediately.
First, we wash the ginger. We leave the skin on because it has lots of goodness that helps us feel better.
Nope. False alarm.
Now, we chop the ginger into small pieces. Ginger helps soothe sore throats and keeps us warm from the inside. Let's use some zest of a lemon and the orange. It's full of bright flavour that helps us feel better.
Sweet. Wait, sour?
Both! We squeeze the lemon for vitamin C. It helps us stay strong.
This will help Romeo feel better.
We use just the soft, juicy part of the orange. It's gentle on the throat when someone has a cold.
Look, I made 2 drops.
We take out the apple core and keep the skin on because it has lots of fibre and vitamins that keep us strong.
Crunch test passed.
Now we add turmeric, the golden magic that helps fight sneezes. But magic needs a helper, so just a tiny pinch of black pepper makes it even more powerful. Let's blend everything smooth.
My head is going in circles.
We freeze them, so later when someone needs a warm, cozy cup, it's ready in seconds.
Romeo will love this. Romeo, you're supposed to rest.
Don't worry, your cozy tea is almost ready.
Come on, Mr. Sniffles, bed.
But the fun is here.
Juliet's right. Rest makes magic work.
Sick cats stay cozy. That's the rule. Blanket mission complete. You're officially Tuck approved.
Juliet!
EK is calling me.
Tea is ready. Look!
Magic cubes.
Ginger helps us fight a cold. Lemon gives us that bright vitamin C. And when the cozy magic melts into warm water, it becomes a little warm hug in a cup. A hug you can drink. It will taste like warm cuddles.
See? Sometimes all we need is a warm hug in a cup.
Okay, I feel better now.
Time to dance!
Show us those moves, superstar.
Magic tea, dance with me. Romeo and Juliet, happy and free. Sniffles gone, feeling strong. Come on, everybody, dance along. Magic tea, set us free. Paws in the air, 1, 2, 3. In the air, 1, 2, 3.
See,
Sometimes all we need is a warm hug in a cup.
so if you want your family to stay cozy and strong this cold season, make this magic tea.
And trust the expert. It works.
The full recipe is in the description box below, so you can save it and make it anytime.
Don't miss our next cozy holiday episode.
We're making something sweet, sparkly, and extra magical.
So subscribe!
And come cook and dance with us again next week.